ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to practice self-introduction. 5 of our friends will tell us about themselves. Let's listen carefully.
Hello, my name is Anna. I am 7 years old. I am in grade 2. My favorite color is pink. I like to draw and paint.
Hi, my name is Ben. I am 8 years old. I study in grade 3. My favorite food is pizza. I love playing soccer with my friends.
Good morning, I am Clara. I am 9 years old. I am in grade 4. My favorite animal is a cat. I like reading storybooks.
Hello, I am David. I am 7 years old. I am in grade 2. My favorite subject is math. I enjoy riding my bicycle.
Hi, my name is Emily. I am 8 years old. I study in grade 3. My favorite fruit is mango. I like singing and dancing.
Great job, everyone! That was wonderful. Each student introduced themselves by sharing their name, age, grade, and favorite things. Now it's your turn. Can you introduce yourself, too?